Hi, Raminder.
Hi Pooja, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. So, thank you so much for agreeing to talk to me about EFT to have this conversation.
No, that's my pleasure.
Okay. So, I just wanted to know from you, Raminder, you've taken the level one and two training, the online one. How did you know about EFT before the training?
Yeah, um, I knew it since some 7, 8 years.
Okay. Okay. And how did you come across EFT 7, 8 years back?
Mm, I was really in low spirits, and I always used to search for new things. So, people, there are some summits kinds where they offer some free video PDF kinds of things. So I just came across, and it just grabbed my attention. And he had the person, he was having his website, and he had some, small 3 4 minutes videos which showed that you put, even though I have this, so
Okay.
I actually tried it on my maid, the
Okay.
maid in my mama's house. She was very irritating kinds. I was so irritated whenever I even saw her. I just tried Mila, no harm.
Yeah.
I did 2 rounds, and to my surprise, I mean, I was really calm in her presence. So
Okay.
it grabbed my attention.
Okay. Okay. That's great. All right. And then when you took the training, how was the training experience for you?
I mean, in all those past years, I took a very basics years back, like in 2012. Then I was on my own. I was taking YouTube videos and all. I mean, borrowing benefits.
Hmm.
But finally, there was a time when I thought of it's high time. I need some professional guidance. And I know, I mean, you generally take workshops in person. So due to Corona, it was like, yes, we can do it online. And I was really delighted to see that. And after doing the workshop, it was like, yes, there's a difference when we do it in a certain manner, just seeing somebody doing it because he or she knows what he or she is doing. Or this is just for the taste purpose, the
Hmm.
videos are.
Yeah.
So when I took the workshop, I could know the exact technique, and yes, it has made a difference in my life.
Okay. Great.
And I was just doing for myself, but I didn't know how to help somebody else. So after doing the workshops, I'm helping others to deal with their, stuff. Um,
Okay.
I've taken some practice sessions.
Okay. Okay. That's good. Very good.
So
So you find the difference in how you're helping others that you feel that it's more you're able to help them better now, or you're in a better position to help them with the training.
earlier, when I did 2 or 3 sessions with some under certification people, I was like, how are they able to guide me even after level 2? I mean, it was a surprise to me.
Okay.
So when after level 2, I'm taking my practice sessions, so it is, a fulfilling feeling.
Okay.
And one of my practice clients, she knew tapping. She said, I'm doing tapping, Mela, no issues, let's do a session.
Mm.
So she told me that yes, I mean, I have been doing, but it's a great change even after one session, because she herself was not able to question herself, or like dig deep, kind of things.
Yeah, yeah. So you were able to help her with that and ask questions and bring out the stuff and help her with the tapping.
Yeah, and yes, when I tap with the clients, so there are at times some points which are helped. Like I tap on myself, so some issues which I'm tapping on and I'm not getting to a certain point. So tapping just relaxes the system, and all of a sudden something comes up that this is related to this. So I should work on that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, there's an art to EFT, and the more you do it, like you're discovering that how things come up and how it just unfolds. So, yeah, okay, that's wonderful. And for you also, do you feel there's a difference in the way you're applying it on yourself post the training?
Yeah, there's a huge difference. Earlier, I was in a hurry, like, and most of the times, what happened was that I skipped
Oh, okay, okay.
where to stop kinds. So it's now I've cooled down, and now actually after so many years, I have realized that one round makes the difference.
Hmm, okay,
Earlier, I was like, keep tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping.
okay. So you're checking in after a round or a few rounds and seeing what's the next step to take.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So that's great. So I think thank you so much for sharing how EFT has been for you, and I'm really happy to hear that it's been
Thank
making a difference. Yeah,
you for guiding me, for being
thank
my
you.
mentor.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.